Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Valorant. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to this site to see if your Valorant is running. So in order to exit, you just have to locate the Valorant and then tap exit. Once done, you can now go to that search bar right here next to start menu and then look for add or remove. So you just have to simply type add or remove. And once it appears, you're going to click open. Okay, tap open here and it will take you directly to this. Now you have to scroll down and look for Valorant, or you can simply search it right here. So you just have to type Valorant and locate this three dots, tap this, and then click uninstall. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is about to be uninstalled. The next thing to do is you can go to your local PC or your folder where you downloaded or saved your Valorant. So, for example, you have to go to local disk and go to Riot Games, locate Valorant folder, and then tap delete. And another thing is that you can also go to the search bar again and then type run, click open. Now here you have to type percent symbol, local app data percent symbol, click OK. And then here you have to look for a Valorant folder. Once you found it, you just have to tap, right click, and then click delete. Okay, and that's it. So these are the ways and methods on how to uninstall Valorant. You can also restart your computer for a better result. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.